My name's Kath Whetstone. I live in Reddish, and recently I accessed the 7-day service for the GPs and found it very convenient and an amazing experience. I rang up in the to get an appointment that morning, and unfortunately there weren't any, but they then could offer me a Saturday morning, which I was quite surprised about and jumped at the chance because it was so much more convenient for me to go on the Saturday morning. I went in 9 o'clock and I was probably out by 20 past. It was fantastic. Due to myself having diabetes, I have to access the GP service on a regular basis, not just for my diabetes but for any extra health problems I have on top of that. When I was offered the weekend appointment, it was fantastic because I didn't have to take a day's annual leave to go and see the GP. And unfortunately, to try and get an appointment to see the GP in the week, you have to ring on the actual day that you want the appointment, so which would mean me taking a day's annual leave just in case I could get an appointment to see the GP. A 7-day service for working people is a must. It then means they've got access just like the rest of everybody, the general public that maybe can take time off in the week to go to a GP.
Hi, I'm Sarah, or as some people know me, Sister Taylor. I work at Heaton Moor Medical Group. Some people know it as Heaton Moor Medical Centre. I work full time, and I also work with the 7-day access service, which in my opinion and the GP's opinion, that it's working really well at the moment. I think it works well for the clinicians because on a Saturday and Sunday it's a more relaxed, laid back atmosphere. You haven't got the outside world, you haven't got emails, phone calls, and you can just focus on your patients and give good quality care. Patients themselves have said that they really like the service and it's really beneficial for them, especially the ones who commute. We're an affluent area here in Heaton Moor, and we do have a lot of commuters, and it's a young, vibrant area, so we have a lot of people in the 20s up to the 50s, 60s, working long hours. So even though we open till 8 o'clock in the evening, sometimes that's not enough for them. So having weekends, they've said, is brilliant. And also coming in, having a nice relaxed atmosphere, not many people waiting in the waiting room. They feel that they can open up to you and tell you things that they might not tell you when there's about 50 million people waiting in the waiting room in the week. So yeah, positive feedback from everyone I've spoken to. I think the 7-day access is really good, and it's going to be really advantageous for the whole of the NHS. It should be rolled out, I think personally, not just Stockport but everywhere, because there's a big shift at the moment from secondary care into primary care, different services coming into primary care, and we can't be doing that in a 5-day working week. So we need to make more provision, and by doing the 7-day access it gives us more provision to be able to take on board different things from secondary care.